back to this old farm truck. This week, I want to buff this thing and I want to clear coat it. Got an issue with the brakes. This one's too tight, or that one's too loose, so every time you hit them, it pulls to the left. I want to get that addressed, and then I'm probably going to service the transmission, because just in case Whiskey Dents needs to take this to Tennessee, have something to drive with us. I want this thing to be ready. So, yeah, I'm going to let it de-ice for a while, and we'll come back out and we'll get started on this thing. I took my time cutting it off. I got it pretty straight. It'll help out when I go to weld it back on. But yeah, you see how it's going to tighten itself way up. The question, I don't want to take out too much because then it's going to rub there, but yeah. That's my plan anyway. So I think on the other side of the green tape.
I think you need to pound that right on top of the other one and see how close it goes.
Can't do it. I think that's pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I do. We're just randomly picking a spot and saying I'm going to cut here.
I'll just overlap it, call it good. Well, I guess I'll take a whiff of the tape out. Yeah. I could probably go in a little bit more. But once it, it's going to be this way a little bit farther. Mm-hmm. So, yeah, I think I'm going to run with that. I got a mark to run with, so I'll just, yeah. Make some noise again. Hey, look on that side view. I think it looks an inch narrower.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna run with that. Yeah, spend a little bit of time cleaning these up and get this side tacked on. And so I got it tapered so I can get a good penetration with my weld. After I do the other side, I am going to pull the bumper off. And I'll bring in this to work and have it welded at work because this welder works, but not very good. Better if I can see. Helps turn the gas on.
Well, it worked.
Well,
it's stuck there.
It's hanging out at the moment. Yeah, it's pretty good. See, that's what this welder does. When I have to speed too fast, too slow, I don't know. it's tacked on there. Best I can do with that welder. I don't know what the deal is with it. It doesn't like to weld. So, but yeah, I like that a lot more. And then I did sand that down just a little bit. Because yeah, these are just stamped bumpers. They're, you know, they're mass produced. They don't take any time to finish them. They sand them, paint them, or chrome dip them. So, but yeah, I think that made a big difference. Oh yeah, you won't be able to break your knees on it no more. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, and then unbolt the bumper and throw it in my car for tonight. So I think I'm gonna call that a episode. Just short, little, quick one. Nothing too fancy. So make the plan, work the plan. Hat back on. He's probably laughing at my hair. It's all messy. So yeah, it's coming together. Garage. Yeah, go check out Whiskey Dents. He's a better welder than I am. If you're wanting to learn how to weld, don't watch this channel. Well, watch it, then you can laugh at me. High Oktane Garage. Oktane with a K. He's building a 64. It's gonna drag frame, back bumper. It used to be a camera lady's truck. So, yeah. With all that shenanigans over there done with that welder, I like the way it turned out. Gonna change the front of the truck. So yeah. Next week we'll still be on this thing. Finish the brakes, do some buffing, clear coating. So thanks for tuning in, and have a wonderful weekend. Let's see how it looks with two coats. They say light coats. Get my bolts again. Alright, I'm gonna let her dry for a little bit and throw another coat on soon. Yeah. She's out of the garage. I still gotta do the headlight bezels. I got them primered, just haven't painted them yet, but it's really hard to tell in this light, but man, did it turn out nice. Still a little tacky, don't want to touch it yet, but yeah, this is sharp. I'm curious to see how like that Vice Grip Garage clear coat and I think it's Pappy's. I'd like to see how that would look on something like this, so I might look into ordering some and maybe do the wagon or the Lincoln or the wagon. See how they turn out. Little troublemaker cat. But yeah, I like it. If there wasn't salt on the road, I'd be driving her today. Cat wants to jump on it, but no. Yeah. I like it. I think it turned out good. Let me know what you think. Comment below. Tell me if I should have left it alone. What you think I should do with it. Yeah, for now I'm going to pull her back in the garage, let it finish drying, and I get to do a brake job on a Volkswagen Jetta. So, thanks for joining me. Garage burnout? Garage burnout, anyone? can't touch this. Man, this truck is fun. I love it. Yeah, let me know what you think. I'm curious to see what you guys think. So. I like it. The bumper. Man, I know you can tell a difference from before till now, but I like it tucked in. I did find a back bumper for this. It's off the next generation truck, which it should be the same. So we're going to hold that guy in a little bit and see if I can go pull it off. And then I'm going to do the same thing on that bumper. Shorten it up, sand it, paint it nice bright white, bolt it back on and call it good. Then be done with this thing. Just let it enjoy its glory years. What is this? It's almost 60 years old, right? Yeah, 66. Yeah. 58 years old. So, but it does have a few more burnouts left in its life, trust me. So. All right, thanks again. I appreciate everybody. Glenn over at 1776 Garage is ruthless when it comes to slaying that first viewed. So, the first person to beat him besides anybody that I know, yeah, I'll give you a personal shout out on my channel if you can beat Glenn. So, good luck. Hey, you're not included. You know exactly when it's coming out, cheater. So, yeah. Make the plan, work the plan. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I had fun making it. But, yeah. Not quite sure what's coming in the garage next. I got a few ideas up my sleeve, but we'll see what happens. Well, you guys will have to wait because I'm not giving any hints, but yeah. Have a good night, and we'll see you next time. Time to make the back as nice as the front. Got that other bumper painted. Try to pull this one out quick. Yeah, why don't you walk around to the front and show them what we did with the custom bumper up there, just in case people forgot.
She's gorgeous. There's two. Oh, they're all gonna line up, I think. Dirt everywhere. Nice looking bumper on there. Ah, you put it on upside down. Just kidding. A little before and after, my amazing wife is going to freehand paint the letters on this in a bright white.
to make it match, and probably the tailgate handle. So yeah, just getting it ready for a truck show this weekend. First coat is on. Looks really good. Boss lady did a good job. Thank you. I like it. Really makes it stand out. It's hard to tell in here because, well, we're in the garage, but when we take it outside, you'll really be able to see it. So the F100's all set, ready for a car show this weekend. So if you're in the area, you know, swing up to Duluth to the deck and go check out all the fancy vehicles that are going to be there. Along with that thing. I think it's going to be the nicest truck there, but that's just me. You know, I'm a little biased with it. So yeah, we're going to head out there and take a walk around it, with it being, since we got sunlight, and I won't be doing any talking because it's windy, so we're going to mute it when we put the episode out. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in, and like, subscribe, share, comment. Most importantly, comment. I enjoy reading them, so. Alright, enjoy this midweek episode, and we'll see you later.